Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning, recipes, a little bit of everything. Today is Friday, April the 24th. I'm losing track of my days. This was my 6th week working at home, and it's kind of hard to know what day it is sometimes. But anyway, as you all know, I got hit with a frost Wednesday before last. And so last Saturday, I spent much of the day replanting in between the damaged plants. I'm going to walk you around and show you what my damaged plants look like, and then I'm going to show you where the new growth is coming up. But I'm also going to show you something really great that my husband did this week that is going to be a test this year to see how it works for us in these hot, dry summers that we get starting in June, July, and August. Let's check out everything. So my squash is looking pretty good. You can see some of the damaged leaves in there, but I've been babying it, and I did put some manure on it and have been watering it all week to try to revive it and keep it going. So let's come over here on down the line. You can see some of the little dead leaves, but I think it's going to bounce back. Last year we got nipped with the frost, and it came back too, so I'm hoping that this year will be the same. Let's go over here and look at my green beans. When you get a frost, it takes sometimes 3 to 4 days to see the damage, and as the week went on, I saw it the next day, but as the week went on, Saturday, I really saw this, and it really kind of went on down the line here with many of my plants. You can see some over there. But you can also see my new growth. These are some seeds that I put in last weekend, and they are coming up in between my damaged plants. I'm leaving the damaged plants in. I'm hoping that they will go ahead and produce something, but we'll see. And just in case, I do have, you can see there, some new growth coming in. My beets are just fine. They can handle a frost because they are cool weather. I'm going to be watching them because we are ramping up to about 90 degrees today. But they look like they're doing pretty well. I just need to keep them watered and keep them fertilized. So my tomato plants in the main garden, they're looking just fine. My pepper plants are looking okay. Again, I've been fertilizing and babying these all week too. These are some of the tomato plants I planted by seed. But I think they're going to be just fine. So it's windy today, guys. I'm trying to use my headset, so I hope it helps. It keeps kicking on and off, so I apologize if it gets to be a little loud with the wind. But this is one of my first raised beds. You can see what my husband has done. He has taken and put PVC pipe over the top of it, and I built some little braces here with wood, and this is what I will use to tie up my peppers and my tomato plants instead of cages this year. So this is going to be an experiment, but if you look on top, he also added some shade cloth. We get very hot again in July and August especially, and sometimes all the way into September and through it. And so we're hoping that this is going to shade the plants in the mid-afternoon sun. It gets plenty of morning sun, and it'll get the evening sun. And we're hoping it's going to shade the plants to where they will grow more and give us more fruit and more of a harvest. This is a test again to see if this works. This also will be good if we get hit with any hailstorms. It might not stop it, but it will diffuse it maybe a little bit, if you would say. So let's look inside here and let me show you what it looks like. So we've put some little rubber fence around it, and you can see why right here. My Miss Bear loves to get in there and dig. But look at the inside here, guys. It's shading it quite well. It's about 3:15 here. And so you can see it's still getting sun on the ends. Here is the other one. And this is with all my large tomatoes, my mortgage lifters. And then I also planted some arugula there in the middle. And this shade will help it to grow a little bit better. And it won't, the sun won't be beating down on it the whole season, and it will retain some of the moisture. So watering will help too. And if you look over there in the corner, he has put in a hose for irrigation, so he'll be adding that to this. Spinach is looking just fine. It is starting to bolt. I'm going to let it bolt, and I'll cut the leaves off from around it, and I'll probably get us another couple of bags of spinach. It has been really delicious this year. And if you look in the middle of this other raised bed, I planted 2 rows of more bush beans, and this is just in case. We want to plant in every piece of property that we have and try to harvest everything that we can, especially this year. Here's an overview of the garden. I'm going to get out here in the morning early, and I'm going to till it up, get some weed control going, and just kind of clean it up and water it down real good, and just pray that the good Lord blesses us with a harvest. So, again, this is a test, but another thing that we will do with these 2 raised beds when it comes fall time and in the winter is we will cover these with plastic, and we'll use them as our seed starting greenhouse, and it will give us the greenhouse effect. My husband has got a hose here at the bottom of this one to irrigate and provide water as well, so it'll create a nice, warm, humid environment. And we'll probably buy some of the heating coils that you can get from gardening supply and put in either the underground soil or just right on top of the soil as we put our trays of seeds in here. And this is going to allow us to start our seeds a little bit earlier. I don't know if both beds will be used that way. If they're not, we'll use another bed to keep growing and maybe grow some lettuces and some spinach and stuff in the cold weather. So anyway, you guys, I hope that you're safe. We're still safe and healthy, praise the Lord, and we're thankful. Next week starts week 7 from working at home, and there's a little bit of light at the end of the tunnel. We're hoping that maybe we'll be back kind of in sporadic teams, middle of May or the end of May, but we still got a little bit of time to go. Praying that your gardening is going well and that you're growing and that you're seeing your hard work come to fruition with the germination of your seeds. I know I've got followers all over the world, so I know weather patterns are different. You're doing different things, but I'm still praying that you're able to garden and that it is coming up well for you guys. We appreciate you guys. We ask that you click the like button if you like what you see. We got a lot of great things going on still, a lot of guidance for your garden, a lot of great ideas for those of you in Texas and hot climates to try to shade some of your plants maybe. But take care, God bless, have a wonderful weekend, and we'll probably check back in with you before the weekend's up.